This is a 2011 Chevrolet Traverse. This crossover has an automatic transmission and a 3.6-liter V6. Its top features include a rear-view camera, cooled seats, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, XM satellite radio, big 20-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: air conditioning, a power rear liftgate, roof rails, side curtain airbags, memory settings for the side view mirrors, external temperature display, and this vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Freedom Ford of Lebanon is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at Highway 19 in Lebanon.